In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Miro board. Whether you're an experienced Miro user or just starting out, this tutorial will help you effortlessly navigate through the process of setting up your very own digital workspace. Let's dive right in and see how it's done. To get started, the first step you'll need to take is to log into your Miro account. This is your entry point into the Miro universe, where all your creative brainstorming and collaborative planning takes shape. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your personal command center. It's where you can access all the projects and boards you've worked on previously, and also where you can launch new ones. From here, direct your focus to the button that says plus Create New. Clicking this gives you a drop-down menu with different options. Our target today is to select Board. Selecting Board will initiate the creation of a new workspace. This action will prompt the system to open a brand new blank board in a separate tab. At this point, you might notice an option to assign this board to a team or a specific space. While it's optional, giving it some thought could be beneficial, especially if you're working on projects involving teams or collaborating on specific topics. Assigning a board to a team or space makes it more organized and accessible to those who need to work on it. As your new board opens up in a fresh tab, take a moment to admire the pristine blank canvas ready for you to populate with ideas, strategies, and plans. This part of the process is where the magic begins, and how you choose to fill this blank slate is completely up to you. It's the perfect opportunity to let your creativity shine. Before getting too carried away with adding content, there is one more important housekeeping step to complete: renaming your board. Look to the top left corner of your screen to find the title of your new board. By clicking on it, you'll be able to rename the board to something memorable or descriptive of the project you're using it for. Doing this will make locating your board much easier in future searches, especially after you've accumulated a number of boards. A clear and descriptive title is invaluable organization-wise and can save you precious time. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Miro board. From here, you can start populating your board with notes, charts, and diagrams to suit your project's needs. This board is your sandbox, tailored to help you and your team visualize and organize information seamlessly. That's all there is to creating a Miro board. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you feel ready to create and manage your Miro boards effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials if you want to explore more of what Miro can do for you.